Yeah, hello guys, this is your guy Uncle Kofi, and today I'll be showing you how to do code and dark Airbus A319, A320, A321. It's the same procedure. Let's hop into the cockpit. Yeah, all the cockpits, the A319, A320, A321, they all have the same cockpit. So now let's move. You just have to move here, move up here, top panel. See battery 1, battery 2. First tap on battery 1. Then after battery 2, so battery 2 is on. So you come here. These three buttons, these three white buttons is called IRS buttons. You turn them on. To middle, you see on battery. Push them to the middle. Yeah. If you don't do that, if you don't turn them on, these displays will not be display. You will not see. You will see nothing here. Okay. So after that, you come here. See APU master switch. Tap on it. Then wait for like 3 seconds before you tap on start, just below the APU master switch. Tap on start. So let's wait for a while. Now we can enjoy the scenery, can enjoy the surroundings. Yeah, so APU is booting up. Yeah, can you hear the sound? APU is booting up. That's APU, auxiliary power units. So now let's wait. The screens will come alive very soon. Yeah, the screens are live now. The primary flight display. This is the primary flight display. This is the navigation display. So everything is live now. Okay, my next video I'll show you how to create a flight plan using the FMC. Thank you very much. That's code and dark.